Dear students, welcome to one more new video of social science. In this video, let us see important multiple choice questions which can be expected from Economics Unit 2 Rural Development. Development of its villages is the true development of India, was said by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Mahatma Gandhiji, Mahatma Jyotiba Phule, Jawaharlal Nehru. Correct answer is option B, Mahatma Gandhiji. According to Mahatma Gandhiji, development of its villages is the true development of India. As per 2011 census report, total population lived in villages is 58.84%, 65.78%, 67.64%, 68.84%. Correct answer is option D, 68.84%. Providing administrative power and the responsibility of developing the village to people themselves is called centralization, decentralization, division of power, self-administration. Providing administrative power and the responsibility of developing the village to people themselves is called decentralization. Option B is the correct answer. Mahatma Gandhi called the decentralization process as Taluk Swarajya, Grama Swarajya, self-administration, distribution of power. Correct answer is option B, Grama Swarajya. The Government of India enacted the 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act in 1991, 1993, 1992, 1994. Correct answer is option B, 1993. The importance of 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act is establishment of uniform system of Panchayat Raj institutions, establishment of Grama Swarajya, introduction of 4 levels of Panchayat Raj institutions, provision for the use of Panchayat funds. Correct answer is option A, establishment of uniform system of Panchayat Raj institutions. A 3-tier system of panchayats has come into existence as per the 71st Constitutional Amendment Act in 1993, the 72nd Constitutional Amendment Act in 1993, the 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act in 1994. Option D, the 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act in 1993. Correct answer is option D, the 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act in 1993. The main aim of Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme is to provide electricity, generation of employment, to help the people to get financial assistance, to provide loan to the needy people. Correct answer is option B, generation of employment. The main aim of Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, Ambedkar Valmiki Housing Program, Ashraya Yojana is to provide food, to provide shelter, to provide clothing, to provide water. Correct answer is option B, to provide shelter. After the 73rd Amendment to the Constitution, total levels of Panchayat institution that have come into existence is 3, 2, 4 and 5. Correct answer is option A, 3. After the 73rd Amendment to the Constitution, 3 levels of Panchayat institutions have come into existence. In order to bring poor rural women together and make them financially independent, these groups have been created. Women association, women employment groups, women welfare groups, women self-help groups. Correct answer is option D, women self-help groups. The poor people are provided with essential food grains through the private distribution system, the public distribution system, the distribution system, the fair distribution system. Correct answer is option B, the public distribution system. An important body of Grama Panchayat is the Grama Sammelan, the Grama Sabha, the Gram Samiti, the Gram Association. Correct answer is option B, the Gram Sabha. An important body of Gram Panchayat is the Gram Sabha.